In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a fading gradient transparent effect using Photoshop. This tutorial will guide you through creating a stunning visual effect that's perfect for enhancing the aesthetic of your designs. Let's dive in and start creating something beautiful. First of all, open Photoshop and prepare your canvas. This is the space where you'll create your design. You can either create a new file by navigating to File and then New, or simply open an existing project you'd like to work on. Ensure your canvas is set to the desired dimensions for your final output. Remember, choosing the right size is essential for maintaining the quality of your gradient effect. Once your canvas is ready, turn your attention to the toolbar on the left side of your screen. You'll want to locate and click on the circle icon. This is the shortcut to your shape tools. From here, you'll be able to add elements to your canvas, which will serve as the base for your gradient effect. Next, within your shape tools, select the gradient tool. This particular step is crucial as it allows you to apply various color transitions across your selected shape. Gradients are excellent for creating depth and visual interest, and they can dramatically elevate your design. After selecting the gradient tool, click on the color bar located near the top of your screen. This bar is where you'll adjust the colors of your gradient. When you click on it, the gradient editor opens up. In the gradient editor, you have the flexibility to choose different color combinations. Feel free to experiment here. You can select from pre-existing gradients or create your own custom gradient by adjusting the stops and the colors associated with them. This flexibility allows you to tailor the gradient to your specific design needs. With your gradient colors selected, the next step is to reduce the opacity. Reducing opacity will create that lovely fade effect, giving your gradient the smooth transition from color to transparency that we're aiming for. You can adjust the opacity directly in the gradient editor by dragging the opacity stop to your preferred level. To wrap up your design, consider grouping your gradient layers. Grouping helps to keep your layers organized, especially if you're working on a complex project. Once grouped, you can enhance your gradient with additional effects such as a drop shadow. A shadow can add depth and delineate your gradient from the background, providing a more polished finish to your design. And there you have it. You've successfully created a fading gradient transparent effect in Photoshop. This effect is versatile and can be used in many design projects, from digital art to marketing materials. With practice, you'll be able to customize and refine these techniques to suit your style and project needs. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing.